CEC, eARC, and macros, 3 features that can make or break a complex home theater setup. CEC controls how devices talk to each other over HDMI, power on, power off, input switching, volume control. eARC handles high-quality audio return from the display to your receiver or soundbar, supporting lossless formats like True HD Atmos. And macros let you automate device behavior based on signal conditions, like switching picture modes when HDR content starts playing. FuryPath gives you control over all 3 from your phone. Let's dive in. The CEC/eARC tab starts with the CEC section. CEC Enable is on, and the device type is set to video processor. This tells other devices on the HDMI chain what kind of device the VRRooM is. Below that, eARC/ARC mode is set to 3. This controls how the VRRooM handles audio return channel data. Mode 3 is the most compatible setting for eARC pass-through. The RS-232 baud rate is set to 19200. That's for serial control integration if you're using a control system like Crestron or Control4. Scroll down and you hit audio mute controls for TX0 and TX1. These toggles let you mute the audio output on each individual TX port independently. This is useful in splitter setups where you want video on both outputs but audio only on one. For example, sending video to a projector and a monitor, but audio only to the projector which feeds your receiver. Instead of messing with display audio settings, you mute it at the source level through the VRRooM. The Macros tab is where automation lives. This is the JVC Macro System, a powerful feature that ties HDFury behavior to signal conditions. The Enable toggle activates the macro engine. Sync keeps macros in sync with signal changes. The Delay setting controls how long the VRRooM waits before triggering a macro, set to 0 here for instant response. The HDR10 mode dropdown lets you define what the VRRooM does when it detects an HDR10 signal. Perfect for JVC projector owners who need specific picture modes to activate based on the incoming content type. The OSD tab controls the VRRoom's built-in OLED display. Enable turns the display on or off. Page selects which information page to show. The VRRooM can cycle through signal stats, routing info, and more. Fade controls the auto-dim timeout. Under Advanced, you can rotate the display by 180 degrees, useful if your VRRooM is mounted upside down in a rack, and reverse colors for better visibility in different lighting conditions. It's a small feature, but incredibly practical for rack-mounted installations where you need at-a-glance signal info without pulling out your phone. CEC control, eARC configuration, per-output audio muting, automated macros, and OSD management, all from your phone. These are the features that separate a good home theater from a great one, and FuryPath makes them all accessible without touching a web interface or serial console. FuryPath handles the hidden complexity of HDMI, so you don't have to. Available on Google Play and the App Store. Search FuryPath or visit MiyaraHub.com. Built by MiyaraHub Technologies.